Hi, I'm Brittany Montez, and this is the Orlando Health News Review for January 8th. As a new member of the East Coast community, Orlando Health came on board as the presenting sponsor of a unique and beloved local holiday tradition, Surfing Santas, held on Cocoa Beach each Christmas Eve. Daniel Hodges, Chief Financial Officer of the East Region, also celebrated the season and Orlando Health's partnership by participating in carpool karaoke.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey!
So Daniel, we really appreciate Orlando Health joining and partnering with Surfing Santas. This is a big thing for us.
Yeah, absolutely, George. With Orlando Health coming out to the Space Coast, we want to partner with community events, and Surfing Santas is just a no-brainer.
And yesterday, team member events were held at each of the main Baptist Health campus locations to celebrate the launch of the new Baptist Health brand and the kickoff of the New Day in Healthcare campaign.
Baptist Health!
None of this happens without our home office and without our partners in Orlando. And we are surrounded, all around us at all of our facilities by leaders who come in here to show their support and celebrate with our team members, by a really robust marketing and communications and external relations team that has really offered to be part of this and to help launch this great initiative. And so there's some subtleties in our brand, right? The name is Baptist Health, but the letters are the same font and the same style. And so for Orlando Health team members, they're going to look at that Baptist Health logo and say, hey, that's one of ours. And we feel really excited about that.
As we go through expansion in Florida and in Alabama, we promise a new day in healthcare, and that's our expansion message. We're going in and we're partnering with these hospitals and these facilities, and we're making that promise and that commitment. And what that is it's just a connection to Orlando Health, because we're taking everything that we've learned there and taking it to these communities.
New Day in Healthcare is also the ad campaign that we have just recently launched with our Florida East Coast hospitals. So that bridges these two acquisitions really well. Even though the Florida East hospitals lead with Orlando Health and our Alabama hospitals lead with Baptist Health and the system, it still connects the brand family.
And our emergency services and trauma care teams at Orlando Health Bayfront Hospital partnered with Leadership Pinellas for the Stop the Bleed campaign, teaching teenagers from Pinellas County Schools life-saving skills.
So Youth Leadership Pinellas is a program for high school students that's been around since 1998, and we give them a backstage pass to Pinellas County. Orlando Health Bayfront Hospital has been a great partner because they give us the ability to have a hands-on experience that it's not just book knowledge. We're out here with students, they're dealing with real life scenarios. They have awesome resources and mannequins where we actually have fake blood coming out of these mannequins so they can literally stop the bleed and practice the ABCs of stopping the bleed in real life.
The main thing we learned about was how to prevent bleeding, especially because severe traumatic bleeding can be life-threatening, and we did learn the 3 ABCs.
I think that what I learned today would help me in a real life situation if somebody was actually bleeding out, and that I know how to help them.
Yeah, I think all the medical information is really going to help me out, because anything can happen. It's always good to be prepared to help somebody or even yourself, so good information.
Right. And Orlando Health hosted a brunch to celebrate the 3rd year of the We Build program, Orlando Health's internship program that works to bridge the career gap for individuals with unique abilities.
The We Build program is a workforce development program. It's a 12-week paid internship with the possibility of employment at the end of the internship, and that is the goal. We worked with HR to identify a couple of different areas that we thought would be a good fit for the program. Some of the areas include food nutrition, environmental services, supply chain, transport, and we're always looking to add more.
And we stopped by the Orlando Health Winnie Palmer Hospital NICU for a special team celebration.
U.S. News & World Report combines some scientific rigor, some hospital input data, and opinions of professionals around the country to determine rankings among the best children's hospitals in the country. Being ranked 26th is the highest that Winnie Palmer has ever achieved in the years that it's participated in the ranking. We had a celebration this year that included obviously some food and some t-shirts to commemorate the activity and the hard work. And with that, again, hard work and dedication, focus on each of the metrics allows us to achieve the ranking that we achieved this year.
And here are a few dates to know. Check Swift for all the details. That's it for today's edition of the Orlando Health News Review. We'll see you next week.